South Carolina parents with children going into 7th grade need to make sure those students are up to date on their vaccinations. All rising 7th graders are now required by the Department of Health and Environmental Control to get a booster for the Tdap vaccine. That protects against tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis, also known as whooping cough. Starting in August, DHEC will be giving free booster vaccines in every county in the state. They are also recommended for children older than age 10, adults who spend time around infants, and pregnant women.
Nationwide, more than 41,000 cases of whooping cough were reported to CDC in 2012, and that is higher than any previous year since 1955.
People with medical or religious reasons can be exempt, and if people refuse, DHEC says each individual school district will have to decide how to respond. You'll find everything you need to know about the free vaccines in the On TV section of WYFF4.com.